Hey guys, Andrew Keen from KeenOnTheMarket.com. This is your ES Mini, and I'm actually going to flip the script a little bit today, and I'm going to talk about some unusual option activity that I saw going across the tape. So, the first one I want to talk about is the ES Minis. Let's talk about, see how they perform today. We opened up this morning. Let me get my window bar. We opened up this morning at 14.35 half. 80% of the time we get the high or low within the first hour. We did get the low at 14.29. I flagged 14.28 as a key pivotal level. That was yesterday's low and the value area low. I should have probably bought on this bar with a stop under the low, and I would never gotten stopped, and then I would have got that nice run up higher. I did not buy. Shouldn't have bought in the first entry, but the second entry I probably should have bought at 14.32. I would have had a stop at 3.5 points, 14.28 half. And then I would have got 7 to the upside. But a inside day today, end of the quarter, end of the month, start on Monday. The first day of quarter 3 was very strong. The first day of quarter 3 was very strong, so you could get a rally on Monday. So let's look at a couple levels for Monday. Point of control, 14.34 half, very important level for Monday. 14.29 is important. Also, we have the value area low right at 14.32 quarter. Value area high 14.37 quarter. So the value area high is where the sellers came in, put the palms out. Value area low where the buyers came in, started buying. Point of control is where the most volume traded. What I wanted to talk about today was PXP, and I'm going to talk about it on the 5-minute chart. This morning when stock was trading around this 36.80 level, paper bought about 3,300, no 39 calls. I did not make this trade. I saw the volume was greater than open interest, but the reason I didn't make this trade, if I go look at it on the daily, and I zoom it out a little bit. On the daily chart, the chart looked pretty weak. It seemed like it was trending lower. I didn't like how the chart looked. A couple of bear bars recently, and I thought it was headed lower. So paper came in, bought calls, stock surge. These calls that paper bought when stock was trading down here for $1.40 went to $1.70 as the stock broke almost $1. So watching this unusual option activity has worked very well. WNB, I talked about this on CBOE TV. $35 seems like the line in the sand to the upside. Breaks 35, it could be off the races. Paper bought the 35-37 call spread for 38 cents. I'm in that call spread. 36 cents. I'm in that call spread as well. Buying the 35, selling the 37s in October. It's worth about 68 cents right now. So WNB, more Fed 40 calls were being bought yesterday as well. So Fed 40 calls as well being bought. On option action, I flagged this activity first in the live trading room. They talked about it on Fast Money, CNBC's Fast Money. Basically, CCE, Jan 35 calls traded 35 cents. I did not participate in this trade. Nice bull channel here from the bottom. Want to move a little bit higher. I did not jump in that trade. It is about 10% out of the money. But this unusual option activity has been working very, very well. One we saw unusual option activity and it hasn't been working that well is MET. Paper sold some puts, bought some call spreads. That is all the way to March, so plenty of time to work on that one. This is Andrew Keen from KeenOnTheMarket.com. This is your ES Mini and unusual option activity report for last day of the month, last day of the quarter, last day of September 28, 2012. Thanks, guys, and we'll run it back next week as day 1 of Q4.